Justin Desick here, London, Ontario Realtor, coming to you today from one of London's South End neighborhoods in Westminster. We're going to be featuring a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, split-level home with a pool. Really excited here because the warmer weather is finally here. Let's go check it out. Who doesn't like coming home to a nice open concept? On top of that, you got granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a beautiful view of your lovely backyard. One of the biggest things that people are always looking for when they're shopping for a home is a nice size primary bedroom. Loads of room in this one here for your king size bed, his and her closets, plus lots of natural light and lots of upgrades. So with this split level home, you'll actually have 3 living areas and then 1 lower level there for your storage and basement activities. This space right here is a perfect second living room or could be converted to another bedroom. What I love most about this home is the access to the backyard. Let's go check that out. So here we are now in your own backyard oasis. You've got your gazebo set up, you've got a nice little patch of grass if you've got kids or pets, and you've got this beautiful in-ground pool. Let's go for a dip. Well guys, it looks like I forgot my bathing suit today, so we'll have to wait till the open house. In closing, this home is just about everything someone could ask for. It is the absolute best value for a 4-bedroom home in this price range with a pool. You can walk to parks, you can walk to shopping, you can walk to schools, and you're not quite 15 minutes away from the 401. If I can help you get through this home, don't hesitate to reach out. Justin Desick, London, Ontario Realtor. Bye for now.